For 2025, the TC65 comfortably holds its position as the best-in-class 65cc motocross machine. For many young riders, it will be their first experience of riding motocross with a manual clutch and gears with the lightweight hydraulic clutch and smooth shifting 6-speed gearbox, making this experience easy. Able to accommodate a wide range of youngsters, the TC65 offers multiple ways to adjust the ergonomics of the chassis. In terms of performance, the exhaust, DS clutch, formula brakes, and large twin air filter combine to create the ultimate riding experience. Handlebars and grips. High-quality aluminum handlebars with a black anodized finish ensure reduced vibration and maximum stability. The wider handlebars enhance comfort, which leads to better body positioning with thin-diameter ODI grips, allowing for a heightened level of control. Fuel tank. Sleek in design to fit onto the frame and inside the ergonomic bodywork, the slim fuel tank offers an ample fuel capacity of 3.5 liters. Engine. Assembled with the latest in two-stroke technology, the TC65 is a highly competitive machine. Using the lightest and most durable materials to construct each component, the highlight of the engine is undoubtedly the pressure-controlled exhaust valve that ensures the highest level of performance. Additionally, the engine is complete with a manual 6-speed gearbox, a reliable hydraulic clutch, and a brisk spark plug. DS clutch. Introducing full-size motorcycle clutch technology to the TC65. The new DS clutch offers considerable durability. Housed inside a new steel basket, the diaphragm spring clutch maintains continued performance and control as the springs constantly compensate for wear. Frame. The TC65 frame is made from chromium molybdenum steel and enhances the riding experience thanks to its precise geometry and flex. Subframe. The lightweight and durable subframe is manufactured using a combination of polyamide reinforced with glass fiber and two steel bars. This new hybrid construction was first used on our full-size motocross models and now, with its reliability proven, can be found on the TC65. Forged triple clamps. Forged triple clamps align the forks perfectly and ensure smooth, uncompromised performance from the WP suspension. The triple clamps offer calculated flex characteristics without sacrificing stability. WP forks. Featuring the latest in suspension technology, the TC65 is equipped with 35mm WP XACT forks. Besides being very lightweight, the forks offer exceptional damping and comfort, which allows for youngsters to ride with complete confidence. WP shock. Connecting directly to the swing arm, the WP XACT shock is updated with revised settings to enhance the damping characteristics and improve the overall balance of the TC65. Swing arm. The hollow die-cast aluminum swing arm is manufactured from a single piece of aluminum for optimal stiffness. Brakes. By combining hydraulically operated brake calipers from Formula, a 198mm waved front disc, and a 180mm waved rear disc, braking performance is both confidence-inspiring and reliable. Wheels and tires. Lightweight aluminum hubs are laced to black anodized aluminum rims using strong spokes to create a reliable set of wheels. Complete with Maxxis Max Cross MXST tires. Adjustable ergonomics. To accommodate youngsters of different sizes, the TC65 now offers multiple adjustment options to suit a wider range of riders, based on their height and setup preference. The handlebars can be mounted in 4 different positions. The rear shock can be positioned from standard high position into a lower setting, and the subframe and bodywork can be installed in 2 different places to suit each individual rider. Bodywork. The clean and sleek bodywork offers proven and comfortable ergonomics. Youngsters will benefit from the large contact points that allow them to grip the bike tighter with their legs for enhanced control. A flat seat profile also offers unrestricted movement.